Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is month 3, so I have been practicing for 3 months now. I would say consistently on the Rubik's Cube. My goal is to get a sub-20 average of 12, which I have actually already done off camera. I got my first sub-20 average of 12, I believe, that I can remember actually earlier this month. It was at the beginning of this month, so yeah, during that time I was actually going had my best times ever, I would say. I actually got a 18-second average of 12, and I got a 14-second single. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been that consistent. I would say towards the end of the month. Sometimes it's hard to find motivation, but yeah, you just gotta keep going and find that motivation to keep practicing. But yeah, so my advice for this month, which I believe helped me get faster, is to have slightly longer practice sessions. So before this month, when I was practicing, I would always do super short practice sessions, only doing 12 solves and calling it a day. But when I was practicing this month, I tried to apply like having longer practice sessions, such as doing 24 solves instead of just 12 solves. So I guess prolonging that practice session, I think it helped a little, because when you keep keep on cubing, your fingers just feel more warmed up, and your solves become faster and faster because of how, I guess, just the practicing just warms your fingers up and gets you warmed up. And so, I feel like I'm rambling at this moment, but anyways, let's just get started. Okay, so I've actually already warmed up beforehand. So before I recorded this video, I did about 30 something solves. I did 3 average of 12s, which is about 30 something solves, and I have not gotten any sub 20 averages of 12. First one I got 22.44 seconds. Second one I got 20.97 seconds, and third one I got 21.90 seconds. So I don't know. Towards the month I just gotten a little bit slower. I'm not sure why that is. I guess it's because of my look ahead. Because I'm gonna be honest, when I start turning faster, my look ahead gets kind of awful. So that definitely slows down my time a little. So hopefully this solve on camera, I can get a sub 20 average. Okay. All right, let's get started. I won't talk to the camera just so I can stay focused on the solves. My hands are getting a little sweaty, getting a little nervous for some reason, but hopefully my adrenaline kicks in, and yeah, hopefully that will help me solve the cube faster. Okay, that's already more than 12 solves. Okay, so that was 13 solves actually. So, okay, my average of 12 this time is 20.93 seconds. As you can see, I'm sweating a little because my room is a little hot. I turned off the AC so I can get better audio. I gotta turn the AC back. I'm literally sweating right now. Okay, so sadly, I did not get the sub 20 average of 12 like I wanted. To be honest, I really wanted to finish off this challenge of getting that sub 20 average on camera like this today. I wanted to get that challenge finished today, but looks like I will have to practice for one more month, because to be honest, I have not been getting sub 20 averages as of recently. I don't know, for some reason my performance I think has gotten worse over the month. So I'm not sure why. I guess there's always going to be fluctuations in, how you perform. But yeah, I mean, I'm excited to see what will the progress be like next month, because yeah, I want to keep practicing until I can get sub 20 averages comfortably. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next month, which I think very likely chance I'll get a sub 20 average. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.